Well, got all of it on. It seems like a pain in the ass, but it's really not too bad. Got the sensors in, got everything torqued down. So now I'm going to start on the covers. I do have to order a new cam sensor for this side. I don't have to, but I'm going to, just how hard it is to get to. I already had one for this side, so I'm going to go ahead and get one for this side. I got the covers cleaned up. I'm just going to start doing the silicone, get these torqued down, then get to the valley pan gasket, and hopefully I can get a cam sensor today or tomorrow, hopefully by next week. And I'd honestly like to start putting the transmission on tomorrow, but we shall see. But yeah, it really wasn't too bad. It looks really difficult, but I did on this one, I had to go back and push the tensioner back in because it didn't quite get in the grooves. But that was pretty much the only thing. This one was kind of difficult just because of how it is, but all in all, not too bad. Just pain that you have to take the motor out. So I'm gonna get those on and get these covers on and go from there.